Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about profit and loss. So what is profit and loss? So what is profit? If you sell something which is greater than the cost price, then you will gain something, that is the profit. And what is loss? If you sell something below the cost price, then you will lose some amount of money, that is called loss. So this is percentage of profit. It means profit by cost price into 100 and percentage of L. This means percentage of loss. This is L by CP into 100. Remember that profit and loss, it is always calculated on cost price. Suppose cost price is given and percentage of profit is given as 20%. You have to find out that what is selling price. Selling price will be what? 20% profit of cost price. That means 120%. How can we get that? 100 plus 20. This is, we can assume CP means cost price and 20% it is profit. Then whole thing is 120%. That means 120% of cost price. It means 120 by 100 of CP, cost price. Okay? When selling price is given there something and percentage of profit is 25%. So what will be the cost price? So we assume CP, cost price, equal to 100, and if there is percentage profit is 25%, then selling price will be 100 plus profit, that means 125. If the selling price is 125, then cost price is 100. When it is 1, then it is 100 by 125, and when it is something X, then it is this percentage. We assume X as SP. So when SP is given, the CP will be 100 by 125 into SP. Okay. So here is an example. A shopkeeper gains a profit of 14.2% by selling an article for rupees 1280. Find the CP, means cost price. So here this is selling price. Selling an article means this is selling price, and we know the profit here. From the previous video of the percentage, we know that 14, 2 by 7% is 1 by 7. Percentage of profit means profit by cost price into 100. That means the base is always cost price. It is profit. So the selling price will be cost price plus profit. So cost price here it is 7 plus profit it is 1. So selling price is 8. As 8 is 1280, this is selling price. This is also selling price. Then what will be the cost price? Then cost price here it is 7 So 7 will be what? So it is 1280 by 8 into 7. You can calculate this. You will get 1120. So here there is another example. By selling an article for rupees 450, a man loses 25%. At what price he should sell the article to gain 25%? So you know the selling price, it is 450, and first time he losses of 25%. 25% loss means we will take reference 100, and 25% loss means 100 minus 25, it is 75. So this is selling price. So the cost price will be 450 by 75%. That means 100 will be in the numerator. And then at what price he should sell the article to gain 25%. That means this whole is the cost price. So cost price into 125%. 125%. That means 125 by 100. So here it is 750. You can also do this sum in another way. Like first the man loses 25%. That means 100 minus 25%, 75%. This is selling price. And the man have to gain 25%. That means 100 plus 25%. That means 125% of it is selling price. So first 75%, this is the selling price. It is equal to 450. He sold the article for 450. So this is equal. Then 1% is 450 by 75%, and 125% is 450 by 75% into 125%. That percent means 75 by 100 and 125 by 100. So that will be cut out, and the final answer will be 750.